Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix PS5 controllers not being recognized on the PC. There are a couple of different methods to fix it, so try not to skip any steps. The first thing you want to do is download DS4 Windows. It's ds4-windows.com. This is a free software. This basically helps DualShock 3, 4, and DualSense 5 controllers to be recognized on a Windows 10 and Windows 11 PC. If you have a earlier version of Windows 10 or 11, I recommend you upgrade it. It is completely free. Just try to download this, and then you want to have it emulate the controller as an Xbox 360 controller, depending on which the game recognizes. The next thing, if you're on Steam, you need to disable Steam input for specific controllers. Steam input can interfere with controller recognition, causing the game to ignore inputs. So what do? For example, you want to use it on System Shock. You right click on the game, go to Properties. On the left hand side, you're going to see Controller. Click on that, and you see something called Override for System Shock. You want to disable Steam input. Okay, if it still isn't working at this point, it could be a Windows sound setting, which is very annoying. But Windows sound settings can mess with gamepad detection. So what do? Under Search, type in Control Panel. And from here, click on Hardware and Sound. And from here, click on Sound, and you want to connect your controller, and you want to right click and say Enable once you find it. And then right click once again, click on Configure Speakers and select Quadraphonic, select Next, and then select Finish. The next thing you want to do is go into Device Manager and look under, you want to look under Human Interface Devices, and basically you want to look at every gamepad that you're not currently using or you do not recognize, and you want to right click and disable it. And the one you are using, you want to right click, say Update Driver, and search automatically for drivers, just to make sure that the one you are using isn't being conflicted by something else. And last but not least, you might want to consider to update the firmware of your PlayStation controller. You can get a PlayStation you need to download the PlayStation Accessories app, or the firmware updater from the DualSense from the Sony's website. You can Google that. It's very easy, very fast, and then you just follow the prompts on screen to update the firmware. And that is it. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.